Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to a Cisco AnyConnect VPN on Windows step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Cisco AnyConnect VPN client on your Windows device. Double-click the icon to launch the application. Once the application opens, you will see the VPN login window. Enter the hostname or IP address of the VPN server you wish to connect to. Click on the Connect button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type in your assigned username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If prompted, complete any additional security checks, such as two-factor authentication. After entering your credentials, click the OK button to continue. The client will now initiate the connection to the VPN server. This may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once connected, you will see a message confirming the successful connection. You can now access resources available through the VPN. To disconnect, simply open the Cisco AnyConnect client again. Click the Disconnect button to terminate your VPN session. Ensure that you close the application when you are finished to save resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.